Spek, stop. Ow! Stop! Guys, Spek has minor brain issues. Major brain issues. Stop. How am I not hitting my shots? Yo, what? Haha, you can't hit your shots. Diamond armor, nice, but guess what? Average blade. I swear if he traps me. Where did he go? Huh? Where did he go? He's right there. I love missing my shots, guys. How? Oh my god. He's the last guy. Let's get his bed. What happens with editing your own video instead of messing with my stream? Stop. Go edit your own video, idiots. Dumb idiots.
Helicopter, helicopter.
Oh my god, stop!
Helicopter, helicopter.
Stop. Bro. Okay, his bed is here, right? Is that his bed? No, that's Blue's. Stop. Back. Stop. For real, please. Please. I said please. You never hear me say please. So stop. Thank you. Dumb idiots. Spek, it's not. You're annoying, Spek. You're annoying. Leave a like if you think Spek is annoying. There's 1,900 people watching, but 700 like. You should leave a like, guys. No lie. Oh, I won! Yes! Stop! You're gonna get me copyrighted! Spek!